Hello everyone. So I am going to do something different. I have moved the Apple M4 Pro Mac Mini, 64 gigs RAM, and I'm using Xenia thing. So this might be a better voice control right now. But I got the Q3 and the Sony A7CR. Okay, I got both cameras. In fact, I can do this. There we go. I had to do some things with the white balance on both cameras. Incandescent lights. I have yellow lights, but I like the white lights better, and I look better. So with the switcher and stuff, I can, transfer from one to the other. You will see the name on the lower right-hand corner, like a Q3. But I want to show you how I set everything up. So I did an intro with the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo. Okay, it comes with an external mic, or you can use the internal mic. It's up to you. But anyway, long story short, I want to show you how I set everything up. So basically, I'm going to go to options. I'm going to show live demo mode, show you what I'm seeing. You can probably see my hard drive. I got, this Mac Mini does not have an SD. And I do have another hub coming in, but that's next week. So I have to use a USB-C hub for SD. And since the Pocket 3 is a micro SD, I had to put in a bigger case. So this is how I transfer the file. I just put it in. It's recognized, and as you can see, there's the SD card. And this is how I usually do it. I don't do it from the SD unless it's a real big file. This one is nothing, so I'll go ahead and remove it. The MP4 file, I am going to put it on the desktop, paste it. Now you see it loading. Somehow it wasn't working right. Now I see the bar. And that's it. Next thing I do is I'm going to delete this. All right. So the drive is empty again with files. I remove the trash can. And now I can eject the SD card. And that's how I do it. So, to show you a little bit around, I will play the video, but I'm going to go to full screen. And this is how you do it. You just go to, let's see, video right here. Okay. I am doing another video, and you can see me with the Sony A7CR. And if I go down here, you can see Wanda. You can see my coffee cup, my M4 Pro Mac Mini, the Lionwei, trying to get right there, hub. I got a power bank. I got the Leica Q3. And I got the Sony A7CR just to try out the Apple M4 Pro Mac Mini. 64 gigs RAM. And of course I got the keyboard and mouse. It's going to be wireless. Yeah, let me put on the Wi-Fi. So I am testing out this deal, the Wi-Fi and stuff. I am also testing out the connections of different cameras to see how long they work. And looks like it's doing a pretty good job. Had to do some things with the white balance because I have some yellow lights. So I turned those off. That's why it's a little dark. But if I turn it back here, come on. You're now seeing the monitor. Okay? So I'm going to start the video here, and I'll play this first to show you what I'm doing. So I'll be right back. And that was the video. Okay? So what I also want to show you is in order to set up the different cameras, you got to have a video capture card. So I got the Elgato Cam Link 4K, and I'm trying to get it. There we go. All right. And the cameras can be a full HDMI or a micro HDMI. And in order to connect this into your eCam, but in order to connect it, you just plug it in here. Now, if the cable is not long enough, and then this will go into USB, but then you have to have an adapter to either extend it or an adapter for USB-C if you want to connect it into USB-C. I tried it both ways. It works pretty good. Sometimes if the cable is not long enough, you have to get another cable, and then you get a hub like this. And this is a pocket rocket, or rocket fish, I'm sorry. And that will extend your card. Also, if you have things that are blocking your LCD screen, and let me go over here to the Q3, and I can do this. I can make myself look a lot better. But you can get a right angle HDMI where it goes in and then the cable goes down, or you can get it where it can go backwards, you know, if it's behind the LCD screen. Usually it's not, so it goes in the front and the cable will come out that way. There's different tricks to the getting this thing going, and I am going to remove this little tiny micro SD card. You put it in the this little thing. Make sure it's put in very gently because you don't want to shoot out, and then look for it later. And it's in there. So that's done. SD card is empty. Showed everything that I can show you with this setup. So what I'm going to be doing is adding more cameras. I am testing out this USB hub. It looks a lot better than the ones that I've had before. And I decided to use this Acer X34 monitor. It's 100 hertz at 3440 by 1440. So it's in 1440p. Just trying something new. Trying to show you that you can move things around if you have to, if you're limited in space. But you can add extra cameras. You get the right hub, and things will work out for you. So I have 2 more Thunderbolt 5s. I got 2 more USB-Cs in the front. I got 2 power delivery USB-Cs, which I can probably unhook the power bank and plug the Q3 in. Let's see what happens. So if I go back here to the Sony A7CR and unplug the power bank, and then I just plug into one of these and see if it's working. No. That's not working, so let's plug it into the other one. First one, if I can get it in there. Let's see if that works. Okay, so that's not working. So what I'm going to do is plug in the other power bank to get some more power to see if it comes on. Okay, I plugged it in. And I put power to the hub. And this is not working. So this is one of the tests that I'm doing, trying to see if it works. So I'll take this out. That's not working, which is unusual, but and now with the power bank it's working. So, not everything will work. The power delivery is not working, unfortunately, on the hub, but everything else is. So, if I go back here, you can see me in the Q3. So, how do I sound? Do I sound pretty good? Am I too loud? If I go this way, is it a lot softer? Yeah, it looks like it. But does my voice sound better? So, anyway, let's go back to, and that's a Sony A7CR. Let me point this toward me. Okay, and then I'll move it like this. All right, a lot better. Thank you for watching. Remember, stay safe, keep smiling. And I'm not done. This is just like a part one. I'm going to be adding more cameras. So I think I can order, add some more. They have to be USB 3. I do have a USB 3 hookups on the monitor. So I'll be hooking it up there too. So I got, I think, either one or two more USB 3s on the monitor. And then I got two more Thunderbolts in the back, two USB-Cs in the front, so I can add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, I can get about 6 more cameras, and then if I put a hub in there with 4 more, then I can have quite a bit. In fact, if I add 2 hubs with 4 each, we'll see if this computer can do it. It's just something to do, trying to give you some content, and I hope you'll join me on the journey. I'm sorry this lasted a little bit too long, but I'll shorten it up. Thank you for watching. Remember, stay safe, keep smiling, and I'll see you next time. Bye, folks. Have a wonderful day.